Good evening. Tonight's top story: two of the world's most advanced smartphones go head-to-head. The Sony Xperia 1.7 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra both represent their makers' visions of the perfect phone, but which one truly reigns supreme? We break down design, display, performance, camera, and battery life to help you decide. Plus, in a rapid-fire update, a $45,000 luxury amplifier makes waves in the audio market. Huawei's 5 best-selling wearables are flying off e-commerce shelves at 2,000 units a month. And Ugreen's top gadgets are up to 57% off. Stay tuned. When you place the Xperia 1.7 alongside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the contrast in design philosophies is striking. Sony champions minimalism and precision. The Xperia features a 6.5-inch 219 cinema-wide OLED panel with flat glass, a sturdy aluminum frame, and crisp, square edges. A dedicated shutter button and subtle logo embossing underscore its photographer-centric appeal. It weighs in at about 7.1 ounces. With an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ideal for creators seeking reliability. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, by contrast, embraces curves and flair. Its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen fades into gently rounded edges, while a frosted glass back and ultra-thin bezels deliver a futuristic look. At roughly 7.2 ounces, it feels just as substantial, yet more contoured in the hand. The signature camera hump and customizable color gradients give it a youthful, tech-forward vibe. Xperia 1.7 flat OLED, 7.1 ounces, square edges, physical shutter key. Galaxy S25 Ultra 6.8 curved AMOLED, 7.2 ounces, curved edges, slim bezels. Your choice here comes down to whether you value professional precision or modern flair. Segment 2: Display technology. 200,330. Both phones boast 120 Hz refresh rates, but the execution differs. Sony's 4K OLED panel delivers cinematic detail 3840 x 1644 resolution, deep blacks, and excellent color accuracy, thanks to its Triluminos and X1 for mobile engines. It's perfect for filmmakers and photo editors who demand exact color reproduction. Samsung counters with a QHD dynamic AMOLED display at 3200 x 1400 pixels. It peaks at an eye-searing 3000 nits of brightness, ideal for sunny outdoor use. HDR10 support and Vision Booster tech ensure vibrant colors and contrast. While not true 4K, its adaptive color profiles and ultra-thin borders create an infinity viewing experience. Who should buy? Xperia 1.7 for cinephiles and creators. Galaxy S25 Ultra for outdoor enthusiasts and gamers. Under the hood, both flagships run on the latest Snapdragon chipset. Paired with up to 12 GB Xperia versus up to 16 GB Galaxy of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Real-world benchmarks are neck-and-neck. App launches, multitasking, and eye-driven tasks feel instantaneous on both. Software marks a wider divide. Samsung's One UI offers deep customization, split-screen multitasking, built-in stylus support, and DeX desktop modes transform the phone into a PC substitute. Long-term security updates extend up to 7 years, giving peace of mind. Sony sticks to a near-stock Android approach. It delivers a clean interface with minimal bloatware, faster OS updates, and specialized creative tools like Music Pro and Cinema Pro. Its Game Enhancer optimizes performance for handheld gaming. Galaxy S25 Ultra highly customizable UI, S Pen support, DeX mode. 7 years of updates. Xperia 1.7 clean Android, rapid updates, pro-grade media apps. Sony's camera system mirrors its Alpha series. You get full manual controls, ISO, shutter speed, manual focus, and a variable telephoto lens that shifts seamlessly between focal lengths. Photography Pro and Cinema Pro apps. Unlock advanced RAW capture and 4K 120 FPS video. Color science stays true to life without aggressive AI. Samsung counters with iSmarts. A 200 megapixels main sensor, 10 times optical zoom, plus up to 100 times digital, and scene recognition algorithms deliver polished shots in an instant. Nightography modes handle low light brilliantly, and 8K video capture is just a tap away. For casual users who want stunning results without fiddling, Samsung's magic is hard to beat. Battery life is pivotal. Samsung packs a 5000 mAh cell, managed by AI-driven power optimization, plus 45W wired fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Sony's 4500 mAh battery offers solid all-day endurance, smart power-saving modes, and roughly 30W charging, but lacks reverse wireless. Bottom line, if you need marathon battery life and top-speed charging, the Galaxy pulls ahead. If you value long-term battery health and straightforward charging, the Xperia holds its own. Both flagships push smartphone tech to its limits. Choose the Sony Xperia 17 if you prioritize a pure, professional-grade media experience wrapped in minimalist design. Opt for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra if you crave cutting-edge display brightness, AI-enhanced photos, and versatile software features. Ultimately, your ideal pick reflects not just specs but your personal style and how you use your phone every day. High-end audio French audiophile brand DVLet has launched its Astra amplifier in the U.S. market, priced at approximately $45,000, raising the bar for high-fidelity home audio. Wearable hits on leading online marketplaces. Huawei's top 5 wearables including smart bracelets and watches are selling at about 2,000 units per month each. Ugreen Super Sale tech accessory maker Ugreen is offering massive discounts ranging from 40% to 57% on items like smart tags, wireless chargers, and Bluetooth mice.